and sit on the shore. Somebody come in and talk to you.
All you gotta do is our boat won't go that shallow. Our engines are too deep.
Head in the shore.
Head in the shore, sir. Need you to go to the shore.
Head in the shore now.
I'm gonna beach it, Mike.
Come on. Come on, man.
Come on.
You gotta pull.
There you go.
Get him on recovery.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Left side.
Keep breathing, bud. Keep breathing. Hey. Hi.
There you go.
There it is. Hi.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Back.
Keep breathing.
Focus on your breath. There you go. Now you have to lay on the rock.
Focus on breathing.
Hey, just stay down there. Hey, man, we'll get you out of the water in a moment, okay? We'll get you nice and warm, all right? They're going to do a few things first. These are the professionals. We're going to get out of the way. Yeah.
Damn it, dude. All I saw was this.
Oh, really? It was just up?
It was just like this. And I was like, and I says, man, I hope that's it, because I'm looking around. I had no idea where it was. So I just went down, grabbed it. Lucky.
Good job.